can't see clearly through the trees, but there does appear to be something on the ground or heading to the ground. Okay, net control, just information. Very well placed rotation here. I would say we've got one on the ground there for sure, and it is maybe a mile or so south and west of Kamak Village right now.
Yes, funnel debris. It's already crossed 430 by now. It was just
issuing a tornado emergency for the Little Rock and North Little Rock surrounding area, and the Weather Service is now taking shelter.
Thank you very much. That makes me extremely nervous. That's where my wife is, and that's exactly in the area where Pulaski County is.
I don't know if you heard me, but they're issuing a tornado emergency for Little Rock, North Little Rock and surrounding area, and a new tornado warning for Pulaski, Lone Oak Prairie. Tornado damage threat.